What's up everybody, in this video I will talk about the trade on gold we took this week, and this was a very clean setup and we made more than 10 times our risk, so I want to share my thinking process and why we took this trade. Here's some proof of the executions and the exit, by the way. I share every single trade and trade ID in my free Discord, so you can basically just copy me for free. We also talk about different pairs and setups, we help each other through the process, and we go also live sometimes, so feel free to join. You can find the link below or on my profile. Let's jump over the setup. As you can see, gold was at all-time highs, and trading at all-time highs is just crazy because you have no data or history to rely back on, so it's just nuts. I don't like that every trader stops trading when price just reach all-time highs. Only crypto investors like that shit. But I missed these shorts at the open and I was anticipating shorts. Why was I anticipating shorts? Because this is accumulation, manipulation, followed by distribution, sorry. So it's a very common ICT setup. You can clearly see here our buyers and sellers are fighting each other. Banks or big institutions or whales are manipulating price up to fill their own orders, and then they dump it to hell. But it dumped right at New York Open. This is New York Open. I'm gonna mark it out. Here. This was New York Open. So you can see price dumped straight away. I had zero chance, and I'm not gonna hunt this because that's trading out of emotion and FOMO, and that's the #1 rule not to do. So shorts were out of the question, but what I like about trading is there's always a second chance or a second opportunity. There will always be a next trade. So we were dumping straight to this daily FEG, and we had to take out this sell side. This is a huge liquidity magnet. This is so SMC and ICT OP. This is what we want to see. This is ERL, external liquidity, and this is external liquidity, internal to external. Now we went from external to internal. So we dumped straight to this daily FEG. All I had to do now was waiting for a lower time frame confirmation. We dumped also to this 50-minute imbalance, and we made our smart money reversal. This is smart money. Now I knew buyers were back into the game. I teach my students not to enter right away because this is an EFEG. Normally I would enter right away, but on gold it's tricky. So I told the squad to wait, and we did. We pumped, but we came back to do what? To liquidate the early buyers. This is early buyers. All this area are early buyers. Even people bought over here. So I told them to wait. We waited. The early buyer got liquidated, and now I knew it was time to enter. This is turtle soup. In ICT terms, we call it turtle soup. So I knew it was time to enter. Place my stops below this bullish FEG. As you can see, we have a bullish FEG right over here. Place my stops right under it, and we immediately pumped. What was my target? 62% of the range, right above the premium of the range. Why? Because this is the golden fib zone. This is where shorters will come back into the game. And if you watch it on the 15-minute time frame, you can see it lays perfectly in line with this bearish FEG. So this was for me more than enough to take profits. It's all about not being too greedy and get. You can clearly see after we take our profits, or you can hold a runner and reduce the risk, I don't know, but you can clearly see after we reach OTE. OTE actually stands for optimal trade entry, if you don't know, and we straight dumped and we liquidated that. So shorters were seeing turtle soup again, but it didn't hold. We just accumulated because this is an area where buyers and sellers will fight again. You can clearly see if I play it forward, it's not doing anything in this area. So knowing where to enter and where to exit is also a good sign that you know what you're doing, because I'm seeing people entering here because I dropped a signal. No, you can never enter here in this range. I already took so many partials. You enter here. What would you do if price came back and came all the way back to this FEG? you were mad about me. Oh no, we dumped. Yeah, we dumped. A healthy pullback or retracement isn't that crazy in trading. So I just want to say you don't need to catch the whole move from here. You just need to know where to enter, where it's safe, and where people gonna get wrecked or liquidated. And that is here, and this is here. So this was a clean play. You can see how clean this was compared to this or this. And this was also clean, but I missed it. No entry, double tops, equal highs. I will never short this. With that said, I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. I will drop many more trade recaps. I'm trying to do this on a daily basis, so feel free to drop a comment to give some feedback. I will try my best to answer all the questions as soon as possible, and feel free to join my Discord because we talk about all these trades. We go over every setup and we start every day with some crazy ideas, and most of the time they play out. So if you miss out, it's on you. Peace out.